Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start right after a short soak. Pat your feet dry and inspect calloused areas. Once done, select the correct grit so you don't overdo it. Coarse removes bulk, medium refines. Hold the stainless steel file flat to the surface and begin with gentle, controlled strokes toward the callus edge. Make sure to test pressure on a small patch first. You want steady removal, not sudden gouging, so maintain rhythm and feel for change in texture as you work. Continue by refining technique. Use long, even strokes and move from the outer edge toward the center of the callus so you reduce height uniformly. Make sure to hold the file at a shallow 30 to 45 degree angle. That angle helps remove layers without digging in. Do about 3 to 4 passes per spot, then pause and reassess the texture. If the area smooths out, switch to lighter pressure and a medium grit to blend the edges for a natural finish. To finish, rinse your feet and the stainless steel file to remove debris, then dry thoroughly. Once done, apply a moisturizer or balm and consider wearing socks for 15 to 30 minutes so the product absorbs and skin regenerates. Make sure to sanitize the file with 70% alcohol or brief boiling, then store dry to prevent contamination. If you notice bleeding or sharp pain, stop immediately, clean the area, and use lighter pressure next time. Consult a professional if it persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.